What are rose suckers and why are they bad for your roses? In this video, I will show you how to remove rose suckers and what happens if you don't. The reason you have rose suckers is because most roses these days are grafted onto a hardy rootstock, and that rootstock also wants to send up branches and stems. These suckers are from the hardy rootstock, and if you don't remove them, eventually they're going to suck the life out of your beautiful rose bush on top. So it's very important to remove them when they're small and young. So I've dug down to where the sucker is coming off of the rootstock, and I need to cut it off right there. If I cut it off here, then it will shoot out more suckers right here. I have to take it off right there. So I'm going to do my best. But that's a pretty good cut. So I'm right down there at the center, and that's where I want to be. So the best way to try to tug it is to get them when they're really small and young. This one's just a little bit big, so I'm not sure if it's going to pop off. But you just get two hands, get a good tug, and go. And there you go. It just tugged right off of the rootstock, and that's what you want. Not all roses are grafted roses. This is a rose that was grown from its own roots. And I thought last year I had lost it. For some reason it died back, but I just left it here to see what would happen. And as you can see, I have new growth this spring. It's hardy and it's going to be beautiful. So what happens if your hybrid rose dies on the top? What happens with the rootstock? This is what happens. Back in the drought, I'm thinking 2011, 2012, we had here in California, I could not water all of my roses enough to keep them alive. So the top part, the graft, died on this rose, and I just left it thinking nothing was going to happen. Now, 8-10 years later, I have this beautiful rose bush that just takes over my whole fence. If you remove rose suckers bi-weekly or monthly while they're still small, you will have a healthy rose bush for years to come. If you want more information about rose care, check the description box below. If you have any gardening questions about roses or anything else, contact your local Master Gardener office. We're here to help.